Hello everyone, this is my review of this Limodot air compressor. This air compressor is designed to be quiet at 68 decibels. The average air compressors are between 75 to 85 decibels, so it's below average. It has a 5-gallon tank on it, and it comes with multiple accessories. Some assembly is required, but it's pretty easy. I'll start from the bottom and work my way to the top. First, I'm going to go with the wheels, 2 sets of wheels in the rear. Then you have a foot that goes in the front, and you have a handle attached to it, so it's easy to roll around. Next, I'm going to attach one of the quick release couplers. There's 2 on there, but one that we do have to attach. And there's also 2 filters you have to attach, which help keeps the air compressor quiet. And that's it for assembly. Now let's turn it on and take a listen. I can definitely hear the difference of it being quieter than other compressors, especially here in my garage where the sound will echo a lot more, but this is a lot more smooth and a lot more quiet, and it doesn't vibrate or move around on the floor when it's on operating as well. It does come with a number of accessories like a tire gauge and a tire inflator and blower, which I showed you before. And since I have it operating now, I'm going to go ahead and air up my tires and use a tire gauge and get those squared away. It does shut off automatically once the pressure builds up and turns on automatically when the pressure gets too low. It also has a pressure regulator on it, so you can regulate the pressure that's going out to your hose. Also, let me show you how long the hose is. It's pretty long. You can get all around your vehicle, either side, and all over your garage or my garage, so that's a good feature. Okay, now that I finished airing up the tires, it's time to shut it down. Just disconnect your hose here and turn off the air compressor with the lever here. Then you can use the emergency blowout valve to release the pressure, or you can use the drainage plug underneath. But be careful to just turn it until you hear the air comes out, because it does come all the way off. Overall, it's one of the quietest shop air compressors I've ever seen, so I hope this review helped.